installing support profiles, and checking the small rectangle diagonals. The next step is to install the support profiles. These will support the photovoltaic panel. Start the installation by applying support clamps onto the brackets that have already been screwed in. The clamps are in the elements that support the photovoltaic panel in the correct position. Their exact use will be discussed in later stages. Next, slide the support profiles onto the primary brackets and place the intermediate brackets identified by the digit 2 on their ends. Make sure that the brackets are always positioned with the digits facing the upper edge of the roof. Use a gauge to determine the position of the intermediate brackets. Apply the gauge to the brackets and screw them into the roof with 2 screws using low torque. You come to the stage where it's necessary to verify if the installation is accurate. The first 2 supports to be installed from a so-called small rectangle, which is crucial for the proper fit of the entire system, so precision is of importance. To ensure that the brackets are placed in the correct positions, check the diagonals. If the measurement indicates a difference in diagonals, it is necessary to adjust the position. Once the same diagonal distances are obtained, fix the brackets permanently by tightening them.